Finally, I will show you how to share your Looker Studio reports with your clients, team, manager, whatever. So here, if I click on this dropdown in the share button, you can see my options. I can invite people through their emails. This is a classic Google Docs or Google Sheets style where I can type the particular emails I want to grant access as editors or viewers to the report. I can schedule an email to a client. I can say, for instance, hey, every Monday at 8 a.m., I want to send this report to my client. I also can share through links and also download a PDF version of this report if you don't want to make your report interactive and your client prefers a PDF version. And if you want to go more advanced, you can actually embed this report on your website, on your Notion, or in any web page so it doesn't look like Looker Studio, it looks more like your own reporting tool. I will see you in our next classes on how to share your Looker Studio reports. Links are the fastest way to share your Looker Studio reports. To find them, simply go to the drop-down besides Share, click on Get Report Link, and optionally enable or disable the link to the current report view. I will simply copy this link, and that's how you can share your Looker Studio reports. To automate the email delivery of your marketing dashboards on Google Looker Studio, go to the drop-down on Share, click on Schedule Delivery, and type the emails that you want to send this report to. Now I can customize the email subject and message. As subject, I will type, for instance, weekly marketing performance, and also for message, I can type something like, hi, client A, here is our marketing report, for instance. Now I can select the pages I want to send. I could send them all, or maybe I can choose a few of them like channel analysis and PPC funnel. Finally, I will set a start time. I can start to send these reports from tomorrow or from today, and I will start to send them at 9 a.m. Now I can choose a cadence. I could send these reports every week, every day, every month, so I could choose something like weekly or daily, and I will click on Save. Finally, I will show you an example of an email sent from Looker Studio. As you can see on my email, I can see the title, I can see that I am the person who is sending this email, my Google user, and I can see a preview of the Looker Studio report. And if I scroll down, I can find a PDF version of the same report. Here is how you can share your Looker Studio reports on email. You can download a PDF version of your Looker Studio reports, but why would you do that? Maybe older generations prefer PDF over an interface, or the marketing team or agency don't want to make the report interactive, or potentially the most popular use case is I don't want these reports to break during my presentation. A PDF is a report that never breaks, so I can use it. To create a PDF, I will go to my dashboard and I will click on the drop down besides share. Here, I will click on download report and I can select all the pages or only download specific pages. I will select the pages and I will only select this one. I will click on download report, and here is an example or a PDF report from Google Looker Studio. You can embed your Looker Studio reports on a website, a Notion, and intranet. This will make feel your reports more like proprietary technology and not an external tool like Google Looker Studio. To embed your reports, I will go to File, then I will select Embed Report, and I have two options of embedding. One is with embedded code, and another one is with URL. If you use a URL in your browser, it will show full screen with no paddings, no borders, nothing. It is like this page is only a Looker Studio report. This time, I will select though the embedded code. And for instance, I can also turn off to view the navigation of the report so you only show a particular page on it. I will turn this off, I will select embed code instead, and I will change the size of the report that I will display on a website. The width now will be 1200, and I will copy this script into my clipboard. Here on my WordPress website, I can paste this code right here, and as you can see, I can display this Looker Studio on my website. If I click on publish and I see a preview on my website, the dashboard will look like this. This is how you can embed your Looker Studio reports on your websites or anywhere. You can enable a draft mode on Looker Studio so you can do changes that people won't notice until you publish them. Let's say I'm working on this dashboard and I want to change temporarily the title of it. I want to call it Marketing Dashboard Draft. The issue is that if I go to the view mode or the published mode, people will see these changes. I want to avoid that. So I will go to edit. I will change back again the title that I had. I will go to file. then go to publish settings, and I will enable or I will turn on the manual report publishing. Here, once I turn this on, I will click on save, and you will see that I'm the draft version or the draft mode on Looker Studio. If I do the changes in the title again, as you can see it here, and if I go to a view mode, now these changes are not visible until I publish them. And this is how you can use the draft mode on Google Looker Studio. You can find the changes history on your Looker Studio reports so you don't miss anything and you don't waste any time. If I go to edit, and after you enable the publishing settings, you will see draft version, and if you click there, you will see version history. Here you will find all the changes that you have done to your reports, and actually I can rename them. Let's say I just changed the name of this report or the title of this report, and now it is called Marketing Dashboard Draft. So I will rename it so I know that I did that change. Click here on the ellipsis icon, rename, and it will be called draft title. But I want to reverse all the changes from yesterday. So here I will find these changes at this time, and I will publish and I will restore this new version. Now my dashboard has a past version, and I can keep it. But what about if I want to revert these changes to my latest version of my dashboard? Here I can choose again the draft title, I can enable it again, and I can restore this version. And here's how you can do version control on Google Looker Studio.